Hey, Jonathan here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a template that we built to help you more easily organize all of the information and research that you're gathering to learn about a specific topic or field, create content, keep information together about a course load, whatever the case may be. And if you want to pause this video and grab the template, the link is in the description. It's completely free to access. It's through Gumroad. All you have to do is click the link, share your email, and then we will send you an email invitation to access the template where you will then be able to customize it, modify, do whatever you want with it, and use it for whatever purpose you need with respect to organization. And in this video, I will walk you through the template. I'll show you a real life example of how we use the template to organize information about a particular topic. And then I will show you how you can use this with Notion if you are a Notion person. So let's dive right in. So the core reason why we created this template in the first place is because as former Duke students and former consultants, we experienced the pain point basically every day of having to bounce around between multiple tabs, applications, windows, whenever we were trying to conduct research or create any form of content. It was extremely frustrating, and we felt that we were spending so much time trying to find information that we already spent time gathering instead of actually being able to utilize all of that information to learn or to create something new. And so that's exactly why this template is structured with this split screen interface where you can see and organize everything in one single space. So you can upload all of your reference materials and files on the left-hand side and organize them into folders. So this includes PDFs, Word documents, text files, images, YouTube videos, and web pages. Anything that you are gathering on a consistent basis to learn about a topic, create content, etc. And with these folders, we gave you some pre-built out ones here in case you wanted to use them, but it's totally up to you how you do it. Feel free to delete these folders. Feel free to add new ones. It's entirely up to you. You can customize it however you would like. And on the right-hand side is where you can create notes and do any form of writing that you're looking to do. And then you're actually able to create links between text that you create on the right and references that you have on the left so that you can keep everything together. You don't have to remember where something's coming from, and you can pull things up in one click. And I'll show you exactly how that works in the real life example. So this is a hub that we created with this, using this end-to-end organizer template around the metaverse. So this is a space that we're constantly doing research on. And as you can see, the folders are different here. We customize them to meet our needs. And we were taking notes on the right and kind of summarizing everything. And so the way that the linking works that I was mentioning is that you can click on the link, open it, and it'll automatically pull up the reference that you linked it to. So instead of having to remember, where is this information coming from, or where did I put this tab, you're able to just create a link and pull up that reference material in one click. So it's super helpful for organizing information and categorizing it, creating a neat repository of content. And the way that this can be used in Notion is that you can actually embed this type of hub into your Notion space. So this is a great example of another hub that we created using the end-to-end organizer template. This time we're using it to create an ongoing repository of research around sustainability. And as you can see, this is embedded directly into our Notion page. We are using Notion to organize all of the hubs that folks in the Kahana community are creating. So if you click into any one of these cards, you will see a hub perfectly embedded there. And then of course, if you aren't using Notion, you can certainly use Kahana like you see here in a standalone way to organize information about any given topic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to us. We're including all of our social links below. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear your feedback. And again, this is completely free to access through the link that's in the description for this template. So hope this helps, and thanks so much for watching, and hope you have a great day. Cheers.